Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery design ideas. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and exquisite collection of hand embroidered frocks for baby girls that are designed for making the beauty and creativity of designs. The video is bidimensional that you can get different type of stylized patterns of ideas and how you can design the dresses along with the stitching and styling patterns also. The design ideas of these embroidered frocks are being shown to you in the form of a doll or a statue or a dummy wearing so that you can get to know how the embroidery pattern would overall look onto the body of your baby girl. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns, and all of them are very beautiful, creative, easy, beginner friendly, and highly designer style inspired embroidery patterns. The beauty and creativity of these patterns is that they are giving the looks of 3D hand embroidery style patterns. And the thread work is totally based on different type of formal as well as everyday, lightweight, comfortable, and breathable fabric wear also. I hope that you are liking the ideas. One more thing, guys, we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. We never intend to copy someone's work. The basic idea and reason behind sharing these very beautiful patterns of designs is to share creative and amazing DIY patterns of hand embroidery thread work hoop art with the ones who are lovers of hand embroidery. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And if you have already subscribed my channel, then you can also subscribe from number of many other devices because subscribers are very important, guys. And in the comment section, mention which design you like the most and why. So stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos. Until then, take care, guys.